Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Neelu here and today I am here in Ikea as you can see, and I'm gonna show you what can you expect from Ikea, what can you find in Ikea. So stay tuned and keep watching the video. So guys, this Ikea store is in Worli near Lodha Park वाली लेन. इसके पीछे जो दिख रही है वो बिल्डिंग लोधा बिल्डिंग्स ही है. And the nearest stations are Prabha Devi. You can get down at Prabha Devi, Lower Parel or even Curry Road and take an auto and easily come here. So this is how the entrance area is. So you are supposed to like wait for 5-10 minutes, then they let you go. There is a whole sitting arrangement over there to let people sit. Now coming inside the Ikea store, you will see all these things on your right side, and on your left side there's whole billing section over there. This is the ground floor and this is a canopy bed, and the best part is that they have created the whole section. Like if they want to showcase their bed, they'll create a proper bedroom. That's what impressed me the most. You're gonna find so many different type of lamps and they are really very pretty and very trendy and expensive it looks, and yeah, it's expensive as well. I'm not that big fan of white lamps, so I mean the lamps which has like white lights. So I'm gonna show you my favorites, so keep watching the video. This bed right here is my favorite. Remember to keep your mask on. My bed from today onwards, it's so comfortable. I like this bed, cute little bed. This cute wardrobe, yes. And the pastel color, oh my god, they have so many cute stuff. Like, see how smooth. They've even put their clothes in there to just let you feel that that could be a wardrobe. And look at this pastel color cupboard, oh my god. And look at this chair. I'm telling you, there are so many cute stuff, like me right here. Oh, come on. So that's my outfit of the day. Talking about this mirror, you can see yourself. Yeah. Again, there are so many options for you to buy. Oh, not again. Okay, fine. I really like this type of foot mats. I don't know why, but I like them. And there are so many pillows. This lamp, I like this type of lamps. This is cute. Again, cute beds. Cute little girl playing with her, maybe her future bunk bed. And yeah, cute beds. So, nothing. No. I'll show you something. This is what I was talking about earlier. I don't like white lights. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with like these types of lamps and light, but it really looks cool. So I'm going to the first floor, I guess. Yeah, this is the first floor. And there's again furniture. A setup of like a living area. These glasses felt so fragile to me. They have a good collection of like wine glasses, mostly of the wine glasses. Yeah. And I have started to like this type of bowls, and yeah, folks, my favorite. The set of these cups, plates and bowls, they all were like in pastel colors, so you'll enjoy having lunch or dinner in them. These are simple set of bowls. This was for rupees 139, very cheap yet very useful, I guess. Yeah, these were like masala boxes again. I don't know, hangers, sturdy and usable hangers. Right next is the living area section, and this is it about today's video. I'll be posting second part of this Ikea store, so yeah, stay tuned and like, share, subscribe. Signing off. Bye for now, guys.